Yes.
Yeah, myself have a small doubt.
Yes, please.
Where to declare the global think time?
Global think time.
Yeah. Suppose we can change the think time so automatically. Yeah, the user customize.
Yes, yes, we can do from the customization. Okay, you
Yeah,
can
yeah,
declare as a like we have the. Okay, I will share my screen and we'll start. Okay. So everyone able to see right screen? Okay. Everyone able to see?
yeah, sure.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, thank you. So, like you can observe, here we have the global dot which is there, right? So this is the like globally you can declare. You can declare anything here. You can it will call from the anywhere in the script. Okay, and as same to the we can declare in the like we need to enable from the content check also. Like if you want to create from the global variable, and you can create from the global think time also. Okay, this way also we can do.
After recording or before recording, you can specify that global think
Yeah,
time.
after recording only we can do.
After recording.
Yes, yes.
So already existing think time is also is there in my script. How
Yeah,
is it
yeah, yeah.
possible?
Then what will happen means it is the override from the based on the how much you are given from the right. That will be override. Okay. For example, you are
So,
globally you are assigned as a some 20 think time. Okay. Total
he,
in your script think time will be maybe 50. Then that will be override only global think time only it will applicable.
okay, okay.
Got it right?
Yeah, yeah, sure. So here only into x is equal 10 here, write that LR think
Yeah,
time.
yes, yes. We need to
This
assign
here,
from the
that's specified.
yeah. We need to specify the here. Okay. Uh,
Okay, okay.
so I think so today we'll start from the like web based testing is completed. Okay. Now today we'll discuss with the like API testing. Okay. So web based as of now web based protocol using for the web HTTP HTML protocol. We did the scripting right.
Um,
Anyone have any doubt regarding
Kiran,
that? Yes.
yeah, Kiran, I have a doubt
Yes.
regarding that web-based scripting, like in script enhancements, are we not covering that loop stuff?
Which loops?
Loops concept. I mean, I saw somewhere like
Loops we don't
while
have
loop.
here. While see, based on from our requirement, we are used already if condition and else condition, right? While also same way you can use. Apart from the if, you can use from the
No,
while.
no. See, what my doubt is like in previous script, like we have used if else condition, right? So
Yes,
if cities are same, then it will not book the ticket and else it will book the ticket, right?
yes, yes,
Suppose at the first time, if both cities are same, I have to like I want to run until it both are not equal. So at the time, like what we have to do? I want to run my script till the condition met. Suppose if both are equal, till I want to like take the values again and check whether it is both are equal or not. If equal, then again I want to run the loop and check. If it is not equal, then I want to book the ticket. Else, like continue. That's what.
no,
Done.
obviously, like it's the first iteration, right? What you are given from the boundaries, based on that, it is a departure and arrive. It will pick from the based on from the randomly generated. So once it is a
No,
randomly,
randomly also there are chances like it may same, right, both values sometimes.
yes, yes, that is why we are not like this is the scripting wise we want to means, so we can't do from that kind of things we want change means. Okay, If you want
No,
apart from the, apart
what
from
my
that
question?
means you need to give from the like ordinal is equal to this. You need to specify the
No, no,
particular
no. Kiran,
thing.
what my question is like, I want to take the cities from both departure and arrival, but if both are same, then I want to like revalidate, like like I mean regenerate the both cities and values. If those are not same, then I have to book the tickets. So we are checking only one condition only, right? If both are same, then we are taking. If not, then we are simply aborting, right? So instead of that one,
No, instead of that, what we can do already it is already script is
both are same.
executed. We are already we have
Both are
results. Then how we can compare?
what I'm asking is like if both are same, I want to rerun the loop again until it not same.
Then we can create from the function one function like we can write from the like for loop. So we need declare from the I is equal to 0 and I plus plus, and we can call from the until when it is not same, it will until we book, right? So automatically the loop will be out and you will get from the like what are the you are expecting, right? You will get using for the for loop we can
Okay.
use.
Okay.
Otherwise while also it is possible, because while also we are writing from the some I greater than 5 we are writing, right? For example like you are expecting from the 1 2 3 4 5, okay, output. So while you are given as a I greater than 5, then what will happen means I is equal to 1 2 3 4 also it will pick, and up to 5 will pick. If it is after 6, loop will be out and it will come out. So same way you can use from the for loop or while, if while you can use.
Can you show us one example? Kiran? What we can do is like we can wantedly make both are same and then check the condition.
Yeah, we'll see. Okay, no worry. Okay, because already I mentioned for this today topic, so that is why we'll discuss. No worry. Okay. Today topic is API testing. Okay. So API testing. So we are done the like front end application, like web based application. We as of now we did from the web based applications. Now it's a API testing. API testing nothing but like we have the some web service calls will be there. So those are web service calls using from the like it is a XML or it is a maybe JSON, whatever maybe, using that we are calling from the like to the application and will get from the some data. So API testing we can do from the like two ways. One is the SOAP request, and as same to the we can do from the like REST API also. Okay, SOAP and REST API. So these two ways we can do. SOAP request nothing but, so it is a XML format it will be there. REST API nothing but is a JSON format. Okay, so like for example you have the methods, we have the this APIs, we have methods will be there like get method and post method, put also we have, and delete and patch also we have. So these all will be methods. Okay, maximum in our perform testing we can see from the these two only. Okay, rare condition we can observe from the put also sometimes. Okay, get method means it is a secure method, like you are getting from the data, like for example you are enter as a customer details, then what will happen, as a customer what he having all details will be displayed, like customer name, customer first name, customer last name, customer address, okay, customer city, okay, customer all details it is display, like that is the get means we are getting from the details from the application. So it is a get call. Post call nothing but we are giving from the some data to the application, so that data we need to validate, that is the post data. Okay, put method means okay, delete and patch also we have. So going to the SOAP request and REST API. So in our performance testing we can see these two, and anyone have any experience from this Postman and SOAP UI?
Sir, I have experience in a Postman to testing the API.
Okay, then good. Okay, so because we are actually not do the postman, okay, but first validation point of view, like we are able to getting the correct response or not, so that point of view we are checking from the postman also. I will check in my system postman will be there, not there. Okay, we have, that's good thing. Okay, this is the one of the like web service testing point of view we can use from the postman also. So using this postman, and we have the one more tool also. If you want to execute from the SOAP request, we need from the SOAP UI tool. Okay, and REST API we can use from the like this is fine, like postman is fine. In a system SOAP also will be there, not there, we'll check. Okay, we need from the, like if you want to do from the web service testing means we need from the some like web service calls. So we'll see that. Okay, already we have, right? Okay, some sample request I am getting from the, okay, Google only for here. So you can observe these are the all get method. You can observe just now we discussed get method and post and put, and you can observe so patch and delete also we have some request will be there. So before going to this, right, first we can understand that. So once you will get from the like requirement of the API testing, what details we want to get to know means you need to ask from the like endpoint URL. Okay, endpoint URL. Okay, nothing but this is the endpoint URL. If you go here, if you click from the like this is the right request API. If you click this, so this is the request. So if you copy this, okay, put it from here, okay, here. Okay, this is the up to this is the URL, and after that this is the endpoint of this. So we need to ask from the these details of the each and every API. For example, how many APIs you are doing. For example, you are doing from the this execution you are doing from the 10 to 15. So 10 to 15 you need to ask from the like this URL, right, up to this is the will be every API will be same, only endpoint will be changing from the every API. Okay, so we need to ask from the all APIs endpoint URLs. That is the first thing, and you need to get from the like this API which method also we need, which method, like method nothing but is the post or get method or put method. You need to ask for that. Based on that, if it is a get method, just this is the fine for us, like just this endpoint URL will be fine. Maybe it is a post method, you need from the request. Okay, request. If you go here, I will show that also. Okay, for example, we'll see the any post. So post, you can click this post, you can go to the app I created from the create some post. You have the this is the request. Okay, in the request it is a which format means it is a JSON format. You can observe this is the JSON format and this is the endpoint URL. So once you can hit this, you will get the response. This is the response. Like what is this? We are creating from the user, so that is why user is created here. That is the response. So when your response is contained from the like codes, we have the codes. Like if you go to the notepad, we have the codes already we explained, right? Codes nothing but 200 and 201. These all will be successfully request and successfully response. So you are sending the request, you are getting the response. That is the successfully request and successful response. And going to the 300 and 302, this will be redirections. Like your page is sometimes when as a developer developing, right, they will redirect from the this page to next another page. So that time you will get from the 302 also you will get. Okay, that is not a valid okay one. And now okay, we have the 400 also will be there, and 401 also will be there, and 403 is there, and okay, and apart from this we have the 500 series, 500, 502. Okay, so these all also very important. Like when you are executing from the APIs, you will get from the this kind of issues. So if you are getting from the 200 and 201, then that is fine, means you are getting from the correct response. Maybe you got from the any 400 or any 500, these things means some issue with the like 400 nothing but our request issue, like maybe test data issue. Okay, maybe your request you are entering from the some details will be wrong, so that is the 400 error, so data issue. Going to the 401, 401 means authorization. See, for example, sometimes this API having from the some authorization also, you need provide from the authorization details, like you need provide from the username and password also you can provide. Okay, so that is the authorization. So if you are getting this kind of means, okay, this API having from the some authorization, you need to provide from the that authorization. Otherwise sometimes token also will be there, so the token ID also you need to like updated from the every 1 hour or 8 hours it is updating. So the token also you are getting from the this kind of 401 means, that is we can call it as a authorization issue. 403, this is the forbidden error. Why we will get from the forbidden error means, so that will be many reasons. Maybe it is a cookies point of view you will get, and maybe the server is not responding to the proper to the application, then you will get from the 403 error, and that is the forbidden error. Going to the 500, 500 nothing but internal server error, means you are hitting this application, it is not reaching to the particular application. So that is why that is the internal server error, means it is the application itself it is not responding. 502 means it is a timeout, bad gateway timeout error you will get. So these all codes also very important, because when you are hitting to the application you will get from the these kind of errors. Based on that you should be resolved from the your APIs also we can resolve. So everyone is clear this HTTP status codes. Not only here, everywhere you can observe in our script also you will get from the this kind of errors. 500, 401 you will get from the this kind of. Based on that you should be understand that okay, this is the 400 nothing but data issue, 401 authorization, okay, 500 internal server error, 502 gateway timeout error. So based on that you should be understand these error codes. It's clear everyone?
Yes.
So now we can jump to the here, and so now we'll take from the okay where we are in. Okay, okay, now we'll get from the okay this request, and means you need to first thing I am told as a what are the things means, just what are the things we'll get from the client, or you need to ask from the non-functional requirements, like when you are doing from the web service testing, what things you should ask from the particular team or client or whatever may be business analyst. So you need to gather this all details, like endpoint details, and how many APIs you are testing, number of APIs also you need to ask from the particular release, number of APIs. Okay, APIs also you need to ask. Okay, and apart from this, test data also very important key for us, because you are doing from the post or get whatever maybe some data every time you are changing. Like for example account number will be there every time, same account number we can give, that is not a realistic environment. So that is why we need from the number of accounts, so that data also we need to ask from the particular team. Maybe we are the DB team, we can get them, we can how way we can otherwise some using from the our scripts also we can prepare. like we have the creating will be there. Create the script. Using that script data, you can use from the what is data you want, you can create and you can use for that data. And request, and we need to ask from the authorization, username, password, nothing but authorization details. Okay, authorization details. And request assembly, you need to ask from the response also. Okay, why? Because so exactly as per their expecting we are getting or not. For example, if you go to the here, you can observe you are hit this one and you got from this. This is the response. So we need to ask from this also. They will provide from the in the document, these details also they will provide. And apart from this, one more thing is also very important thing, header files. So this also very important, headers. As the when developer is developing from the this APIs, right, they will give from the some headers also, like some content type and UUID. Okay, and we have the multiple things will be there. So it is a application JSON or it is the text, so we need to give from the that all headers. So you will need to ask from the these details. Okay, so you need to ask from the these all details, headers, what are the headers we need, because ourselves we can't decide, okay, these headers we can use, no one will be, we can't assume. So that is why these all details also we need to gather from the our teammates. Okay, and headers, and apart from this we need to gather anything. Okay, headers and everything is done. Then so these all details if we gather, then we can start our performance testing. So if you go to the here, before going to the using from the our user only we can do, but before that we are doing from the like our understanding point of view, is really it is working or not, we can observe. So if you click from the new, here we are doing from the HTTP request only, right? So web service, so click this, and here we need to provide from the endpoint URL. Already we gather this. Okay, you can give from the this. Okay, and if we give this, and this is the method also very important for us. See, if you go here, I think we to take this one, right? This is the which method? It is showing here. You can observe which method?
Get.
Get method.
Yeah, get method.
Yeah, so we need to select as a get, that is fine. And after that, if you have any authorization, you need to provide here authorization. You don't have any authorization, you can observe here, we don't have any authorization here. So that is why it is automatically, if you click this, it is automatically will execute and you will get from the response. See, this response you got. So that is why no need authorization, no need. If you have authorization, you can select as a authorization, basic authorization, like it will ask from the username, password, means it will be there, you should be provide. Okay, and now we don't have anything, and you can select as a no auth. And after that, headers, I told, right, headers, we need to add from the headers also. For example, you are adding from the content type or anything. Okay, see here content type. Okay, here we need to provide from the application JSON. Okay, so just few things we need to, based on that we can select this. Okay, so for this this sample, right, no need from us. So that is why if they what they are provided, you need to give, those are here. Okay, and client ID will be there, some different things will be there, you need to add from the based on for their requirement, we can do from this all. And after that, body we don't have, because this is the get method, we don't have any body. And after that we should be send this request, just you can execute. See, you can observe which response you got, 200. So 200 means what? We are sending the request and we are getting from the successfully response. So means you have got the good response. So then it is fine, means then it is working fine. Then if you want, means you can give from the script name also, we can provide here.
So what is the benefit of this thing in a load runner?
Not in load runner, we are doing from the like multiple, right, multiple user. As a functional, what you can do, just your duty only 200 it will come, it will done.
Okay.
But our duty should be, we need to this API we can create in our script and we can execute with the multiple times. In the multiple times, if you executed, how much response time it is happening from the this 100 times 100 user. So that is our job.
Okay.
Here only just validation point of only we are doing here. Means this is the done. Then we can this one we can update in the our script. I will show that also. Okay. Now we'll see the one post also. If you go here, okay, we'll take from the create one. Okay, click on this and this is the URL. Okay, if you click here, we are able to see the this is the URL. You can copy and put it from the again. I am creating from the one more new. Okay, this is the HTTP only, and here you need to provide from the URL. Okay, and after that, this is the which method? Post. You need to select from the post, and we don't have any authorization. And if you observe, and if you want to give from the any headers, means you can provide from the headers also. You can provide, and body also we have. So here if you select body, here we have the raw data will be there. You need to select this, and here you need to select from the, if you are doing from the XML, you can provide from the XML. It is the HTML, you can provide. JSON means JSON. For our request will be JSON, so that is why I select as a JSON. Now this request we can take from the here request. So post request, right? Okay, if you click here, this is the request body, this is the body. You can copy this body and keep it from here. And now authorization, if what are the things will be there, if it is done, just you can execute. See, 201 you got, means you are got the successfully response. For example, what we can do means we'll give from the some different, and we'll see the errors also. Okay, just you can assume this application whatever you can give where it is accepting. Okay, okay, so data side will check, will give from the wrong end. It will see, it is a mandatory data. If you give like this, you will get from the 400 error. So for here it is everything is not a mandatory data. If you give anything, it is getting from the 200 error. So like this, how many scenarios you have, you need to create from the all scripts here. After this is the successfully you get, then you can go to the our vision and we can do script. Maybe thinking about that, maybe you got from the 500 internal server. Then what is your approach? What is your approach?
Yeah, that,
So just
Yeah.
nothing. So it is a 500 internal servers, nothing it is in your hand, because that is not from your side. Okay, first thing you can check from the really given from the correct headers or not, you can check. Everything is fine. Then we need to intimate to the our development team. For this API, I am getting from the 500 internal server error. Okay, they will check from the their side, and maybe it is a down, or it is a down means they told as a application somewhat sometime is a down they told. After that you can try, and again you are getting from the same error, again you can ask for them. Means if you are getting from the like 400 is there, for example you got from the 400 means it's a request error. Maybe you only given from the some data is wrong, or if you are not giving from the mandated data, then you are getting from the 400. That could be not in a as a developer issue. So we need to get from the data from the, like it is a developer or it is a database team, or we have the create from the ourselves, means we can create and we can use it. It's clear? So now we'll see the scripting also. Okay, I am open the Visual. Okay, web service testing is very easy. Okay, not a big deal. Okay, but nowadays you can observe. I think everyone also know, and also maximum apart from the web applications, right? Everyone going to the maximum is the API testing. Why? Because it is very easy to do, and you will get from the entire application data also you are getting from the through application. Now you can select from the like new script, and we need to give from the like API testing. I am given just, and here we can do from the like web service testing will be there. You can select that, click on create button. So after this will come, right? So now just you can in between put it cursor and click on right button and insert and REST API. Click from the REST API, and here you need to provide from the URL. For example, okay, we already done, right? So now you can take this is the URL. Example, you can take the URL. Okay, and after that you have the any headers. Okay, if you have any headers, see already you did have it, then scripting will be easy for now. If you have any headers, you can update. And body you can take from the body. You can control A and take here, and we need to select from the this the post. You can select as a post, and you can observe here content type we need to select from the application JSON as a header, and this is the body. And after that just you can run setup. Here also we can check we are able to this we are getting correct response or not. You can check also, we can do here before insert the steps, like before creating from the script. See, now you can observe you are getting from the okay, this is the response, correct response you got. So again go to the build setup, and now you are getting from the correct response, then click on insert steps. See, you can observe web rest is the function, it is generated as a web rest, and this is the post call, and this is the URL of the our API, and method also it is showing, it is the type is a raw data, and snapshot this is the, and this is the body. Okay, what is the body you are provided, name and job details, and here headers, what are the headers you are provided, all details is provided. Then
Kiran, could you please tell me where it that option showing API testing, how it's showing in a load runner?
You
That
can
option?
just you can click on right button, insert, okay, and REST API.
Okay. We can start it on a before recording or click on action after action.
No. The no need to record. This is not a recording. Okay, this is the directly we can do here.
Okay, generate a new script. No need to add a script.
Yeah.
Means action button on action that
We can.
script
Yeah.
is generated automatically.
Yes.
Okay.
So now you can do it, right? Same way. Now this API, how much response time happen? I want to know, miss. How will I know?
Sir, for one time.
Whatever maybe 100 time also I will execute it. Then how I will know what I can give here?
Iteration.
Transitions.
Yes, transaction, start and end transaction. So you can provide from the start transaction and end transaction, and you can give from the name of this. So for example, create user, okay, underscore some 01. You can give from the some, okay, and end transaction also you can give. Okay, and maybe this one you are hard coding you need to do. For example, that value will be not a static, every time you need to provide from the different data. Then what we can do?
So there's a parameterization.
Yes, obviously, right? So we can do from the parameterization, and we can put it from the data in the Excel sheet, and we can do from that. Okay, so just if you want means just I will do for that also. Replace with parameter and create new parameter and give it from the parameter name is I can give okay name underscore p and click on properties and create table and click on ok and by name you can give it as a name this one and click on ok, then this. So now you can put it from the how much data you want, you can put it, because major thing is we are doing from the performance testing means we need to execute with the multiple data only. So single data is the same data, if you executed that is not valid. So we can give from the different data. This data will be going to the DB and okay this data will be there in the DB and okay is there, then you will get from the response. Okay, so that is why test data is a very important thing. For here scripting part is a very easy to create from the script. What is the difficult thing means test data. How you will get test data, how you can prepare test data, so that will be very important for us.
But Kiran, if we anyone do for these API should be hit 100 times, so we can go to the controller for that?
Yes, obviously we can execute everything in the controller only. We use on only scripting purpose. Okay?
That is good thing. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So maybe what will happen means you are created, okay, we can give it as a name also for this. Rename this and give it as a create user. Okay. And now you want to from the one more means you can create from the one more action and give it as a what is the first that name least users. Okay, for example least users. Okay, you can give it as a least users. Okay, you can give least users. For here again you can do from the same way. Click on this insert and REST API and go to the here already we have right notepad, you can take from the this and if you go to the tool, okay, give from the URL and you can observe this parameter also, it is any parameter value will be there, it will coming to the URL parameter like parameter page is equal to, and you have the any headers it will be give from the headers also. And get method no need from the body, just you can run this, you are able to get the response or not, you can observe before create the script. So you can observe response you got correct response. Go to the build setup and insert steps, see it is generated. For here you can observe page is equal to, maybe not only post data, here also you can do from the parameterization like page is equal to means for example apart from page here is the account number is equal one number is there, so we need from the multiple numbers, then what we can do, we can create from the parameterization, we can put it the data from there. Maybe assume this account number in this script it is generating, assume this data you want use from the in this page, then how we can do, got it? So the relation will be there, what here data is creating account number assume, otherwise page is equal to, okay, that only we can think, okay, page is equal to it is creating here, that data we are using from the here, then what we can do?
Kiran, I
File.
didn't get the answer.
Yeah, we can do from the correlation. Why? Because for example if we execute, we are not executed right, we'll execute first. Okay, go to the runtime settings, we'll see the logs what will be there.
Okay.
Okay, logs, okay, extend logs and parameter substitution and save this and we'll execute, first we'll execute and we'll see the output and what I told right, we can discuss that also. So now you can observe here, see response time also you can observe 714 millisecond. This is the 045 happen. Now my requirement is okay, if you want to see the response also, we can go to here, and if you click here snapshot view also we can see from the response. You can go to the replay log and you can see the this is the response. So you can go down. So this is the response you are getting. Okay, 201, and this is the response you are getting. If you want to see means output window also we can see. If you click here and like go to the replay log, you are able to see the response also here. Okay, and you can observe, so you did from the parameterization, that is a replaced. Okay, and for example now you can observe, so once you did from this, right, you are getting from the response, correct response or not. How we can know? We need to provide from the like validation points also very important, because we are exactly getting from the correct response or not. How you will be know? We can give from the validation point. Validation points nothing but it is a whatever, maybe it is a web break find also we can give. It means like response what data you are getting, that text you need to provide from the here and you can validate. That is one thing. And you can do from the correlation also, you can do web break param, and for example response what you are getting, right, if you go from the postman, for this post, right, this time, okay, this is the get, right. If you execute this, we are getting for the this page is equal to you got. So this page is equal to, you need to put it from the, like you can do from the correlation, means we can take from the this. Okay, and go to the script, and we can do from the correlation also we can do to validate, and as same to the we want to pass the next script, like you are doing from the web underscore reg underscore save underscore param and parameter name lb comma rb and comma last, and you can give from the name like page underscore core. Okay, lb nothing but, so this is the value, up to this you can take Ctrl C, and that is the lb equal to rb. If you have rb is any comma, right, you can give from the comma. And now you can observe, we can have the double colon will be there, give the black slash, and here also we have one more, we can give this. See, script parsing is succeeded. Then replace will be no need for here. Okay, for this script will be no need. Okay, now if you want here, every time this data is changing, exam page is equal to 2 3 4 it is coming, then in this two place you need to replace with the this name as a this name, means every time don't do from the parameterization, don't give us the data. What will happen in this script, what value it is updated, that value it is coming from the here. Okay, we'll see. Now we'll execute this. Yeah, it failed. So you can observe invalid argument 3. Okay, we don't have, so still you are getting, okay, anything, okay.
Slash for right boundary.
I think boundary, we'll see the boundary. Apart from this, we can see from the in our script is good thing. Oh, sorry. Yeah, we are not mention RB. No one told.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I said right boundary.
Sorry. Okay. I will see. See, we are not given RB is equal to, even though it is failed. Okay, no worry. So, you can observe now, no match found, you got. So, if you are getting this error, means what will happen? You are not getting from the correct response. So, that is why this is also we can consider as a validation point. Web break find only, not only validation point. Web break save param also, it is one of the validation point only. So, because in this page, like you are in this page, you are not getting that, means that response is not there in this request. Okay, what we can do means we'll change what here. This one only, right? Yeah. So we'll give from the correct names. We are not getting correct response. Okay, I will disable this. First we'll observe from the what response we are getting. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll give from the like all things we can provide, then that is a good thing for here. We'll get from the data written by, and then you will get from the correct response, because that is coming from the server side, right? We need to provide for all details also. Now we'll check from the response. First thing, if we go here and put it here cursor and so snapshot, go here and in the replay, yeah, you got it, right? Now you can observe this, you got it. So this is the response you are getting from the here, and you can observe also here 201 you got. For example, now we can take from the anything. Okay, leader ID we can do from the correlation. Assume we can take from the this leader ID. Okay, copy this leader. Example will take this, that is a good thing with that. Okay, okay, this one I will take. Okay, because it's a page not there, right? We can take it as a this. Okay, and we can remove this. Now we can do from the validation point of also this will be a pick or not. So now we can take from the boundaries, left boundary, can give from the here control V, and right boundary one more double colon, control V. Now we'll give from the slash and again here also one more slash, and here also one more, and RB also we have one more. Okay, so yeah, script parsing is succeeded. So now we can execute this.
You're not audible, Kiran.
Not audible? Everyone? Hello?
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
audible. Audible, sir.
Yeah. Okay. See, now we can observe. Yeah, Praveen, you are able to hear? Praveen? I think Praveen network is not good, maybe. Okay, now you can observe.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. Now you can observe your script will be passed. If you want means you can check from the this also. Okay, I given this, just name I given anything. Okay, you can observe this value is only it picked. So that is why it is passed. So this is also one of the validation. Like you are taking from the text from the where in the response. That one you are validating from the here. Maybe it's a dependency will be there. This data we can use from the here. Okay. So means that is the dependency point of view. We can do from the correlation also we can do. And otherwise, if you have the create first thing data here and do from the file operation, copy in the all thing in the our local system, that thing you can use from the this scenario. You can do from the parameterization and you can do. Okay, this is the way we can do from the web service testing as a REST API. So everyone is clear this?
Correlation part little bit need to.
Yeah. Okay.
check.
No,
Other part is okay.
Yeah. See, for example, first thing before doing correlation, first you can execute and you can check from the snapshot. Okay, is the response. We are checking from the response. See, you got 201, and we can see these all will be some header files. All things you will get. That will be don't consider. We only this is the response you are getting. Okay. Here in this response you can take from the this is the one thing, and a job means you will take from the up to this is the one thing, and create is the one thing. You can take from the any one of this and you can do from the correlation. Maybe it is a account number is there, you can take from the account number, you can do there and you can capture the account number details. Got it? So everyone is clear, right? REST API?
Yes, Kiran.
Yeah. So we can create one more action, like we can give it as a soap.
Kiran, can you do one thing for us that if someone hit the API for checking the user, and we have to hit that API for 100 users, so need to check on controller. So can I do?
Yeah, we can see. So this API testing is completed, right? We can move to the controller only, and this API script and web scripts also we can push in controller. Will execute. Okay, no worry. Okay. So now soap request. So soap request nothing but already I told, right? It is a XML based will be there. So you want to from the soap request also we need from the some prerequisites. Okay. Same way what things you need to get means soap AI. First thing, how we are validated from the like in Postman, right? Same to we have the some different tool all will be there. That is the SOAP UI tool. So you need from the WSDL file, WSDL, like web service description language. We can call it as a the web service description language. So that will be you need. Once you will see that WSDL file, you will have the multiple APIs you will be have. So those APIs what you have you need to test from the in our performance testing. So same way you can create from the new script and just click from the here in between the actions, and now you need select as a web service call only, web service protocol only. Now what you can do means go to the SOA tool. Go to the SOA tool. Here we have the managed services will be there. click on the manage services. Okay, here we have the import will be there. Click from the import, and this is the WSDL file. Actually this is the WSDL file. So this WSDL file we need to ask from the team. Okay, you can observe this is the WSDL file. Okay, this WSDL file you can observe this is the calculator one. Okay, means calculator what things will be there, like addition, division, multiplication and subtraction will be there. So means we have the addition is the one API. Okay, we have the SOAP point of view, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So these APIs will be there. These APIs we can test using from the SOAP request. So now if you go to here, already we got the SOAP UI. So you can click from the URL and you need to paste from the here. If you get from the URL also, you can give from the question mark. After that you need to provide from the WSDL, that is the web service description language. Okay, and after that click from the import button. Okay, now you can, if you imported, you can see this is the calculator, our API, and you can observe here we have the operations will be there. If you click operations, see here we can observe what are the methods we have: addition, division, multiplication, subtraction will be there. Okay, after imported you are able to find the operations, just apply and click OK. Okay, now again go to the SY tool, go to the add service call. Okay, if you click this, this is the service is the calculator, and this is the port name is the calculator SOAP. You can observe here operations. Here you need to select from the one by one which API you want, which operation you want, you can select. So I want from the addition, you can select from the addition, and after that you need to provide from the like input also. If you want provide means, okay, here init is there, you can select as a here, and you can provide from the value like it's a 10, and same to the B also you can provide, you can add here, and you can provide as a some 20, and you can results also you want to store from the some variable, like this is the variable like param add results you are created. So now you are provided operation everything, then just you can click on OK. Then now it is created the script. Now we are doing only addition, so it is created from the addition. Now you can observe web service call, step is equal to what is the name you are given, and this is the method calculator method, and this is the request param response, service is the calculator, and you can observe begin arguments like what data you are provided, here it is came, and end arguments, and results we are given as a param add results you are given. So now you can provide from the same way we can provide from the transactions. So this is the addition, right? Add underscore some T01. Again you want to add from the one more. Okay, one more thing means again go to the SY tool, again click from the add service call and select from the division. Okay, if you not done anything also, if you click OK also no problem, what will happen you can observe here also. See, you can observe you are not getting from the anything from the like begin arguments. So that is why what data it is suggested for us, right? You can select that. So that is the important thing. So that is why I showed. Again go to the add, and you can select this and click on this and add. If you click this, okay, maybe it is a addition, that is why it is showing this. Maybe you have the some customer details, then here it is showing from the customer name, customer, all details will be there. Just you can select and click on OK, it is a script will be generated, and this is service, and click on OK. Now you can observe if you want means you can provide data here also you can provide. So multiple data means what you can do, you can do from the correlation. Okay, So again we'll do from the, this is also we can do from the surround with the transactions. What is this? This we what we selected method division T02. So we can create this and now we'll execute. See, your script will be passed. Now you can go to the here. Already we seen rest rate. Now we'll observe from the response from the in this. Okay, click here and right button, show snapshot. You can observe this is the replay, and if you want response rate, here response. If you click okay, response not gonna. Yeah, you can observe here. You can observe replay. This is the response. What you got 30. And if you want from the division, if you click here, so this is the division 1. So this is the way you can do from the scripting. Okay, so this is the way we can do from the API testing and web service testing, SOAP and REST. Anyone have any doubt regarding this? Hello?
Kiran, SOAP is new for me, so I can check it. WSDL is need for every time when we have a SOAP tool as well.
Yes, we need from the SOAP UI, and WSDL are very important because as a SOAP directly you not get from the URL, so they will give from the URL and you need to take from the WSDL file, and there you will see the different APIs.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. But I have to look it for, because SOAP is new for me. Otherwise, Postman I have experience.
Same. Both will be same only. Okay, there is no difference. Okay, but here is a some. This is the very easy way we can directly click in from the ad. But here we can adding from the manager, and after that you are calling from the service call.
That addition, multiplication.
Yeah, and one more way also we can do import from the directly we can import also possible. Like not XML, like you can create from the Excel what is the particular request XML will be there, right? Okay.
Okay.
That will be you can take from the from where. Okay, as already you are copied in the notepad, right? For example, if you are copied in the notepad, okay, already for example this edition already there. Okay, this is the XML, assume. Okay, so if you click from the open, it is there. Then you can what you can observe, so this is the URL of this, and if you click OK, like SOAP action, and here it is showing and response, click OK, please enter URL. Okay, we need to provide from the URL. See, now you can observe like this also we can get it from the data. See, you can observe SOAP request through, like we can create it as a just in notepad you are copied and everything you are called here. This way also we can do apart from the adding from the each service call, right? So we can do from the import SOP, and we can do from this way also you can do. Got it, everyone?
Okay.
Yeah, so you guys can practice. I will sharing from the in our group like all URLs. Okay, sample SOAP URL means you will get from the this URL, and sample REST means you will get from the this. Okay, and take this one, I will paste into the in our chart window.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, everyone copy and paste it and put it yours, and you can practice. Okay, so this is the entire web service testing. So your point of view, you need to prepare well and practice well, and we'll connect tomorrow onwards controller, and we'll start our executions and controller everything we can discuss. Okay, and one more thing, like Praveen, will catch, and I will tell you from that scenario also tomorrow. Okay, no worry. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, thank you everyone, and we'll meet
Okay, thank you,
tomorrow,
Kiran.
and thank you everyone. Bye.